I'm just hanging out in my man cave, which is kind of like my hangout spot. Hey, do you want to see something really... a song? Do you want to hear the song I heard of? You'll like it if you just say what? What was that? What? What? And if somebody says don't, then everybody sing about the bird. Bang bang bang, a bird is the word. 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 A bird is the word. Bang bang bang, a bird is the word. Bang bang bang, the bird is the word. Bang bang bang, bird is the word. Bang bang, bird is the word. Bang bang bang, bird is the word. It's hard to say, but don't you know about the birds, Meg? Everybody knows the birds. Saying, oh. Where's the word? Bang bang bang. Where's the word? What was the big idea? That song was from the 80s, Val. I'll pick a different song. Oh, really? What happens if I do? I don't know. Hey, will I deal with somebody? Please. Please enjoy this emoji I just made of myself. Hope you like it. Oh yeah, that's it. You come back here. Man, I am finally beat him up. Anyway, today on Phil the Puppet Boy, we had some really fun stuff going on. So, today, I want you guys to promise me you'll do this. What? When the bang bang bang, a bird is the word. No, about the bird. Everybody knows that the bird is the word. Bang bang bang, bird. Usually it's hard to catch up on when the bang bang bang, a bird is the word. Bang bang bang, a bird is the word. Bang bang bang, I'm surfing. Okay. Alright guys, I think that'd be it for today. So, if you like the video, check out me anytime you want, and that'll be it. So, I'll see you later. Just gotta do something. Okay, how do you turn this off?